Hello everyone, I'm Wes Hunsaker, an attorney and partner at Morris Hall. In December of 2017, Congress passed the Tax Cut and Jobs Act. Unfortunately, that also came with an expiration date. Starting in 2026, families and individuals will be able to pass far less onto their beneficiaries without the impact of estate taxes. Sadly, we've seen many families have exposed their estate to unnecessary taxes, sometimes in the millions of dollars. Things like gifting and planning are critical to be able to take advantage of the benefits that you have today that will be lost when this law expires. The estate tax could be the largest tax that you or your family ever face. Why send money to the government when you could be sending it to your family? Please take the time. Visit us at morristrust.com to schedule a complimentary consultation where we can go over your specific situation and identify opportunities that you can take advantage of today to help your family tomorrow.